Next, you can go to the bar itself. So once you log in to the bar, just so see here, this is upload image.
Okay.
So click on this, and you can just go to your image. Okay. So this is my latest image. I just save now. So you can now write the prompt. Just we can execute. So now you need to. So you need to read
Yeah,
and.
it has pulled all the information.
Wow.
All the boxes flows, data flows also.
So based on the answer, you can also ask any additional question you can ask.
Okay.
If you have any doubt in the diagram, you can ask that doubt also.
Okay.
Yeah, you just open the diagram. You show that also. Steps are there in the diagram, right? You show stepwise.
Hmm.
First step, if you take it, it is going to Route 53. Um,
Then it will store.
then CloudFront, then S3 bucket. Then third one is
Go to
internet
the.
gateway is there to go
Hmm.
into the network, VPC network. Then fourth one is application load balancer is receiving the load, sending to public subnet. Then autoscaling is working with EC2s. Okay,
Yes,
fifth
yes,
one
yes.
is NAT gateways connecting to the private subnet.
Hmm.
Then after that, sixth is WordPress instance is running. And
But
seventh is private subnet data it is pulling from WordPress data. So all the databases are there, 7, 8, 9, and that's all the flow. It is nothing but a three-tier architecture,
yes.
and that three-tier architecture steps are explained. Okay, you show the steps now. So you read it one by one, explain it. What is your understanding on them?
So here basically it is giving all the services explained, but I need to give one more prompt. Like now it will give the steps.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is the business flow basically, business workflow.
So see, so a user visits the WordPress website in the web browser.
Uh-huh.
Then immediately this request is sent to the Amazon Route 53, which is a DNS service. First step.
Uh-huh.
Then this Amazon Route 53 resolves the domain name of the WordPress website to the IP address of the Amazon CloudFront. It will go to the CloudFront next step. Right? This request is sent to the CloudFront distribution. Then this CloudFront will deliver the static like assets, like images, some files are there in the S3 bucket backend. Then after that, it will go into the application load balancer. So same whatever the we discussed just now, from the application load balancer, it will distribute the request to one WordPress instance to the auto scaling group. All the steps like where it will store the files in the EFS system. Then this will WordPress instance return the content to the load balancer. This load balancer will return the content to the Amazon like CloudFront. So this CloudFront will return this content back to the user.
There's the whole process, one cycle of the communication from user to the system, system to the user back.
User. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Chris,
Yes,
if
sir.
you get any architecture diagram like this, you go to the documentation, Amazon documentation, you will get lot of diagrams. You can practice like this.
All
Okay.
right.
You being showed as solution architect or solution designer, you should be perfect in using the board to get the solutions from the architecture diagram.
Okay.
You have to practice well this one.
So
Okay.
so if they give you a requirement and then they ask you to come out with the architecture, can the BAT give you the architecture? Is there any API that can any
To draw
uh
the diagram, you mean to say?
yes,
So
other
far,
than
as for my study, there are no direct tools which is giving directly like these diagrams, but they'll give
okay,
some diagram, skeleton diagram. You need to modify that for the requirement.
okay.
Okay. Uh, now, wait, Siva, what you need to do? Go to ChatGPT.
Hmm.
1 minute. You see your Skype page. Okay. Now you can ask the bard actually the same question what I wrote it.
Hmm.
Is it working?
One sec. So
It
it
is
is
giving the
giving
same what
some
all
tools.
the tools you guys used it. Okay.
Yeah.
You write it. Are there any AI tools?
Mm.
So it is giving a sample architecture. Hmm. This one.
No, no,
Okay.
no. That is giving sample architecture, but for your requirement, you take that steps. Okay. Uh, Go up. It is given some steps, right?
Yeah, it's giving the some
Just you
tools.
copy them into Skype. I'll modify and tell you. Okay. So whether it is going to give that kind of architecture diagram, we will see. You copy that steps. No, no, not these things. WordPress site steps.
These flow steps.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. You write it. I am going to modify that. I'll give specifications for BARD. Whether it is going to give the diagram, we'll see. Just added database name. Simple change. I added MariaDB. Okay. Now you copy into BARD this particular flow steps. As it is, you give it, put that in the brackets within quotes. Can you draw the diagram? You can say, can you draw AWS architecture diagram for this workflow? First, you write, can you draw the AWS architecture diagram for this workflow? Quotes, copy in quote. Right, enter. So let us see what it does. If it is giving diagram, Chris will be happy.
I
Wow.
know.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
that
yeah,
was
yeah. You got the solution, right?
wow.
He giving the source
Great.
Okay.
internet.
Hmm?
Yeah,
It
given
is
the
pulling from
source.
internet, huh? No, no, open the
Yeah.
diagram, you share it to us. Just share it to us. Let us see what it is given.
Oh,
From
this is
this,
from
No, no. Go
it
back
is
to
this is
the
pulling
from
from
diagram.
internet. No,
this
no,
is
no. Download the diagram first. Don't see the sites. First, let us see the diagram.
Okay.
Download it. It is taking to AWS.
site.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No, not
So,
like that. Wait.
We need exact.
Uh, yes, yes. Not like
Yeah,
that. It
not
is
for that.
routing to links on
Yes.
internet. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, it will not draw the diagram. I know that. Okay. These all AI tools, they all are working with Google search options. Instead of we search manually, they are searching these tools.
uh,
That's all. They'll get the approximate solution from that. That's all. Even ChatGPT also does the same thing. They're not working for us. After some time, yes, they might invent the cloud service vendors. Okay, that time we'll see. Okay, I will stop recording now.